How to use bottle emptier oxygen, not included new 2025. Most players get this wrong, but using the bottle emptier in oxygen, not included 2025 is much simpler than it looks. You won't believe how this tiny tool can save space and prevent liquid spills in your base. First, make sure you've researched and unlocked the bottle emptier under the plumbing tech tree. Once unlocked, place it near a liquid source or storage area. The bottle emptier's function is to automatically empty liquids from bottles and transport them to connected plumbing or storage. Next, connect the bottle emptier to a liquid pipe or reservoir. Select the bottle emptier, assign the liquid type it should handle like water, polluted water or oil, and ensure the output pipe leads to a storage tank or a consumable system. Duplicants will automatically use the bottle emptier when they find bottles containing liquids. The machine empties the bottle into the designated system, freeing up storage space and keeping your base organized. You can also assign priorities in the building menu to make sure high-priority liquids are emptied first. The surprising truth is that many players manually empty bottles, wasting time and risking spills. Using the bottle emptier ensures efficiency, reduces stress on your duplicants, and keeps liquids flowing smoothly. In conclusion, the bottle emptier in oxygen not included 2025 is a simple but powerful tool. Unlock it, place it near your liquids, connect pipes, and assign priorities. With this setup, your base will stay organized, your duplicants productive, and your liquids flowing perfectly.